Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I picked up a 1959 Impala two-door hardtop out of a junkyard up here in northern Minnesota. I'm at Ostrom's Auto Parts in Graston, Minnesota. And while the load of this car wasn't terribly exciting, we'll walk through the junkyard today and show you some of their old stuff and what they've got. As you can see, this car is obviously a donor. It's missing the rockers and missing about everything else, but it's got a decent set of doors, decent deck lid, windshield, back glass, top fender trim. It's got a lot to offer. It is a California car. As you see here, it's a one-piece bumper. That's California only. But yeah, even though she's rough, the guy was nice enough to sell it to me whole instead of parting it out further. So anyways, guys, this is my purchase for the day. But let's walk through the junkyard and see what else is there. Here's the first old one of the day. It's a four-door Ford Falcon. No motor, no trans. Decent body though. Probably better served as a donor car. But I guess if you wanted to, you could put a big motor in that thing and rip it down the track. Here's a couple 80s F bodies. If I misspeak or I don't know a car, please let me know in the comments. That's how we all learn together. Some more 80s F body Camino and Firebirds. This is 72 maybe? 2-barrel. This is a 1970, according to the trim tag. Not much left of this old girl. 3 70 to 81 Camaros. The top one is a 70 to 74 since the back glass is not curved. And this one here is a 75 to 81 with that curve. I'm very partial to those old cars because my first car is an 1981 Camaro. I'm not sure what that is. I should know, but I don't. Here's another cool one you don't see too often. An old Camino with its front clip and doors. It's a floor delete special edition, but it still has a lot to offer here, and if you're looking for parts, that's definitely a good one to strip. Here's some Mustangs, all first generation. I think this one's a 69 or 70. '62, 3 or 4. What is this, a Cadillac? No, it's a Buick, I'm sorry. I can't open the doors, but it's a Buick Wildcat. Here's a Buick LeSabre 4-door sedan, red on red, real stripped out. There's a 2-door sedan. No, I'm sorry. That is a 4-door sedan. Here's a big body GM. It's a Caprice, but I'm not sure what year exactly. The weeds have just overtaken these cars. So it's probably best to come up here in the spring or late fall. Impala custom with no front suspension. Nice two-door hardtop though. Got a Bronco, a bunch of 70s and 80s Ford trucks. This is kind of the Ford section here. And this is what the Midwest does to vehicles. I mean, there's just nothing left of that panel. Salt kills, that's for sure. The only Studebaker in this yard, right here. I want to say it's like a 60 through 63. My buddy had an ass end that he cut off one of these cars a while ago. But man, they are just god awful ugly. I want to say this is an AMC, but I'm probably wrong, and I'm sure I'll get roasted in the comments for that. Either way, this one's rare. All the call outs are gone, so I can't tell what it is. Let me know in the comments. There's some new stuff mixed in with the old stuff. Nice PT Cruiser. That's Crusher food. There's a Mopar product. 71 through 73, I believe. Fastback Impala sitting on top of a Ford truck. Another two-door hardtop. This is 66. The taillights, that's 66 only. In 65, there were 3 round taillights. Got a big Chrysler there. Not sure what this is here. This is a 59 4-door sedan. My two-door hardtop was sitting right here. This one's been pretty pricked over, missing its dash and a lot of other parts. Got an Olds Tornado right here. W34. 63 two-door hardtop Impala. We have some Buicks. This one is only half a car. Some 65 through 70s. There's a 63 4-door hardtop that has been mangled. '62 two-door hardtop in the weeds. Couple tri-5s. This is a '57 four-door sedan. '55 wagon. Another two-door Impala Custom. Big Coupe de Ville Cadillac. '64 Impala, four-door hardtop. She's seen better days. '60 Chevy Biscayne. And my favorite, of course, a '59. It's a four-door Bel Air. No, I'm sorry, it's a Biscayne. No options, single-speed wiper. '62 Impala, four-door. This one's a sight for sore eyes. Two-door sedan with a vent tag just sitting here. Floors are decent actually in the thing. So if you want to build a two-lane blacktop car, there you go. '70s Regal. Hell, I don't know what years this is. '71 through '7, I believe. Hell, I don't know. Someone let me know in the comments. Another '59. Right at the end of the row. As you guys can see, she's pretty stripped out. Here's what's left of a '65 Impala, I believe. Hope the guy survived that accident. The trunk light's rotten. '65 Bel Air four-door. And I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a Ford product. There's a Riviera. Buick Riv. Those are badass cars when they're done. Pontiac Grand Prix. Two-door hardtop. Another Impala Custom. Nice old convertible someone was trying to fix up. Not the right way. With all this mesh. Probably why it ended up here. They gave up on it. Buick GS. Grand Sport. There's a fastback. 49 through 54 Chevy, two-door. A bullet-riddled 49 through 54 Chev. Let's see what year it is here. It's a 1953 Chevrolet two-door. I love this old truck. Chevy C10. .283 or 327 two-barrel. Rockers are starting to go out of it. I don't know why, but I just love this truck. She's rotten, but it's cool. Wish that bed was a lot nicer. I could use that for my truck, that's for sure. Couple more. C10, 60 to 65. 61 or 2 Oldsmobile. Been hit real hard in the back there. What in the yeehaw Minnesota shit is this? Leroy Hart's Emily. Oh God, the flames and fucking send it. Oh boy, leave that one where it belongs. Roadmaster Wagon, these things ride awesome. It's a shame it's sitting right there, but it is what it is. Let's finish out the tour today with some 50s Chevys and Fords. Not much left of these old girls. But this one here is the coolest. It's a panel wagon with a 7000 GVW back in 1950. Stripped out, but still missing, or I'm sorry, missing a lot of parts. He's stripped out, but still a lot here to offer. Be a hell of a nice patina cruiser. All right, let's head home. Well, now that I'm home, it's kind of setting in now. I've got to move all this stuff. I don't know why I do this to myself, but a friend of mine says, hey, I have all this 62 stuff, you want it? Okay, sure. Well, there's a whole load there. Another guy says, hey, I got a bunch of 14-inch tires, do you want those? Okay, sure, I'll take those. But the thing that pisses me off the worst of all, who throws an egg at the truck? I mean, this wasn't an accident. I know it's just one egg, but come on, who does this? And I know you guys have seen this car already, but let's just look at it again now that the honeymoon phase is worn off. No floor, no dash. Well, there is a dash, but no parts to the dash, no trim, nothing. And what sucks is when this guy posted this car on his Facebook page, the car had all of its deck lid trim, all of its side trim, all that stuff, and that's the first stuff to go usually. But yeah, I'm dumb. This is another one that I love these cars so much, I just take them anyways, and I should realize that sometimes you just gotta let them go. So, anyways guys, this is the end of today's video. I'm gonna work on getting these rims and tires off tonight, but that's not too exciting, so we're just gonna leave it at that. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like rating, leave your comments, questions, concerns, and if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest finds. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I will catch you next time.